Hey, I'm Scott McLean, broker and owner of Lifelong Realty. Now, one of the things you may have already known about me is that I spend a lot of time researching and uncovering different strategies and different finance programs to help you to save money, to save some headache, to put more cash into your pocket, and that type of thing. And so today, today we have uncovered a gold mine. We've uncovered something really special for you today. Um, and just to kind of put it all in perspective here, earlier today we got quotes from a lender from one of our buyers at a 7.62% interest rates. We've heard rates this past week for 8%. And so rates have been kind of hovering closer to that 8% type of range. But today we were unable to uncover a special loan program that's 3.99%. That's fixed for 30 years. I mean, absolutely phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. Now, I imagine that there's at least one person is watching this right now that you've been thinking about making a move. You've been thinking about selling your current house and buying another house, but you've been locked in at a 3% interest rate. And you just can't really stomach the idea of stepping up to almost an 8% interest rate. And it's just been like, I don't want to make a move, but I don't want to give up my 3%, and I want to get this 8%. I don't want to do that. But now you have the opportunity to sell your house and the same day purchase another house and be able to lock in at this 3.99% interest rate. So if you've been thinking about trying to get more space, or maybe get less space, or maybe you wanted to move to get closer to some loved ones, or to get closer to work, or to the church, or maybe you wanted to get away from certain things. Now is the opportunity you can do that. You can relieve yourself of having to climb stairs to go to bed every night, knowing that your knees and your back might be hurting, and move down to a ranch level style, one level home, or a home with the owner's suite downstairs, whatever the case may be. So now that's an option for you. Or maybe you are the type, maybe you're one of the people that are watching this and you used to own a home, but for whatever reason right now, you do not. This is an opportunity where you may be able to make that move and get what you've really been wanting to get back into the home ownership process. Now, you may also be a first time home buyer. And right now, it's a great opportunity. Maybe you've been looking for a house for the past year. And, this past year, there was so many people buying houses. And so you might have placed some offers on homes and you got 50, 60 offers came in on the same home at the same time, and they just outbid you. And so you found yourself sitting on the sideline for about a year now and waiting for the market to change, to adjust. The market has changed. It's a little bit slower. You're not getting 50, 60 offers in. It's still a strong market. Don't get me wrong. Very strong market. But it's not as crazy as it was this past year. But now what's happened? Interest rates are higher, prices are higher, so your buying power has been reduced. But now being able to step into this 3.99% interest rate, what it's doing is it's increasing your buying power. But sometimes people might be listening to this and say, well, Scott, I don't really understand. It is a lower interest rate, but what does that really do to the pay? What does that do for me? And so let's use this as an example. Let's say if you were out looking to purchase a $350,000 home, maybe you were approved earlier this morning for a $350,000 mortgage with your lender, and they were saying, well, you could get a 7.62% interest rate. Now, that monthly payment of principal and interest, that monthly payment would be a little under $2,500 per month. Not bad. But to be able to drop that interest rate down to that 3.99, that also drops the monthly payment down to under $1,700 per month, which means that it's an $800 a month savings just going from this near 8% down to 3.99%. Talking about phenomenal. Now, another way to look at that, another way to look at this right now is you were approved for $2,500 a month payment. That was going to get you a $350,000 house. And again, I'm talking just principal and interest to keep things simple for right now. So your numbers might be a little different. I'm just using this as an example. But that same $2,500 going towards principal and interest is now going to allow you to get over a $500,000 property. To be able to step from $350,000 to over $500,000, that's allowing you to gain more assets, more space, more of the things that you personally will want to have in a home. It's allowing you to be able to gain more equity faster. It's allowing you to create wealth for you and your family faster. Can you see why I'm excited about this? Can you see the difference that this is going to make for you right now? And even though this is very exciting, just simply dropping the interest rate down to 3.99, it also comes with a $10,000 grant, which can cover all of your closing costs, potentially cover all of your closing costs. It also comes with a 3% down payment, which is better than FHA. And there's no private mortgage insurance. Typically, in order to reduce, remove private mortgage insurance, you need to do a 20% down. But this time it's a 3% down, no private mortgage insurance. That's going to save you hundreds of dollars per month. It's phenomenal. It's phenomenal. You see why I'm so excited right now. Now, this loan program isn't for everybody, but it might be for you. It might be for some of the people that you care about most right now. Somebody comes to mind that could truly benefit from this loan program. Who is it? Forward this to them. Send this same video out on Facebook, on Instagram. Send it out to some other people right now. Send it out to your church. There's people that could benefit from this right now. Have them reach out to me directly. Have them reach out to Lifelong Realty. And we're all equipped here to be able to help you to get from where you are to where you choose to be. Reach out to us. We're here to help. Make the day phenomenal. Make the rest of this year absolutely amazing. And I look forward to chatting with you again soon. 3.99% interest rate, fixed, no prepayment penalty. Let's go. Let's do this thing, y'all.